Hi folks, Driver Films again, and I thought I'd do a video about the 5 things I enjoy about amateur radio. Now, I've been licensed since 2016, sorry, and I thought I'd put together 5 things that I enjoy about the hobby. This is not like a top 5, number 1 being the best, it's just 5 things I enjoy about the hobby. First one is the wide range the hobby offers. It's not just going on 2 meters 77s or 5.9 because I'm 73. It's the bands we can go on 2 meters, HF, 6 meters. Also the wide variety of modes as well. There's SSB, you can do FM, you can do AM. Not done that yet, maybe that's on the bucket list stuff to do. There you can work satellites, you can even get SSTV from the International Space Station, so it's not just locked to one thing and you can go into any direction of the hobby you want. The second one is building your own antenna. I've done that a few times now, but there's nothing like your first antenna build and getting it working, getting some contacts off it. First antenna I built was just a bit of overflow pipe, a few tins of kilowatts going up in the top, similar to a flower pot antenna. Some good contacts from the top of Dal Crag, got into Northern Ireland, and from Shining Tor, got into the Republic of Ireland. So it's always good when it works and you get some good contacts. Third one is there's always help with the hobby. If it's on air, you call up a station and you're unsure of something, go ahead and ask. Someone's going to know the answer. There's a whole wealth of online information as well. Just pop into a chat room, Facebook group, even on the forum. Not all forums are brilliant, but there's always someone there who knows the answer. The fourth one is what I call a surprise contact. So you're on a particular band, you're calling CQ and the station comes back to you and you find out where they are. They're some far off distance away. Say we were with the antenna build, got that antenna, got into across the Irish Sea into Ireland, so that was always a surprise. It surprised me with the handheld I got, the FT60 and the RH770 antenna. I was in North Wales and I got a contact in Ulverston. Now if you're looking at what Bayland it is, line of sight straight across the over Blackpool, across Morecambe Bay, no obstructions, but from that far on the 10 watt radio handheld, 10 watt, I wish, 5 watt handheld, it's amazing. So that is number 4. The 5th one, going out portable. There's nothing like walking up a hill with a radio, setting up an antenna, doing a bit of DXing. Right now I can't exactly do that, but it is what it is. So I thought I'd do 5 things I enjoy about radio. Love to know what you think, put them in the comments box, or why not make a video about it. Fantastic to hear what you think about it. So until next time, stay safe, good DX, and 73. See you later.